Every 2 minutes, a woman somewhere in the world hears the words, "You have breast cancer." But here is the truth. Many of those lives could have been saved with one simple habit. A habit that takes just 5 minutes a month. This is how you can take charge of your health, by learning the right way to perform a breast self-examination. Do your breast self-exam once every month, 2 to 3 days after your period ends. If you don't menstruate, you can choose a specific date and stick to it. Use the parts of your 3 middle fingers, not the tips, and gently feel your breasts in smooth motions. A little massage oil or shower gel can help your fingers glide comfortably. Now move your fingers in a pattern that covers the entire breast. So up and down, then in circular motions, or in wedge-like lines from the nipple outwards. You can choose whichever feels natural. Just don't miss a spot. Don't forget to check your armpit and the area below your breast. Changes can appear there too. Now, look in the mirror. Check for any visible differences between your breasts. Check for lumps, swellings, redness, dimpling, or changes in the shape or direction of your nipple. Gently squeeze each nipple to see if there is any pain, discharge, or fluid. Next, lie down with a pillow under your shoulder. Use the same technique. Move your fingers slowly in circles or up and down lines, covering the whole breast area. Be alert for any new lumps, thickened areas, skin changes, nipple inversion, or unusual color. If you notice anything different, don't panic, but don't delay either. Visit your doctor as soon as possible, because early detection truly saves lives. Examine monthly. Encourage your loved ones to do the same. And after 40, remember to schedule your mammogram regularly. Take care of your breasts, because your health matters.